No, not shake your booty. No.
Oh my god, another one. Greedy fuck.
What? What's going on? I can't
Josh
hear
wants another invite.
Motherfucker, greedy fuck, fat fuck.
Fat fuck.
Josh,
Oh, who said that?
Oh, who said that?
Big Chungus, Big Fungus, and the smoke clears. Nods. Sounds like a cosmic battle, man. Laughs. But in the end, peace and love will prevail, yeah? Gives a thumbs up. Big Chungus, Little Chungus. It's all good, man.
Big chungus, little chungus, yeah. It's all peace and love in the end.
Yeah.
Josh, your mic is
Josh, your
echoing.
mic is echoing.
Really?
Because we're still on Discord. Shake your booty, yeah. Jiggles. Peace and love.
Peace. The bees are angry.
Just glad the bees don't have the ability to go up.
Yeah. It would be really scary if they could fly, huh?
I got really scared when I heard them as well. Ah, Lethal Company.
With
Back
this
again. Oh, it's dark in here.
Oh yeah, torches are a thing in this game, aren't they?
No.
Lots of door down here.
Hello?
Hello! I have a key for downstairs.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna go nowhere, I'm telling you. Oh no, wait.
I hear Bloblium.
Lovely, I'm nowhere.
Left side went nowhere.
This goes nowhere too. Damn, and there's not even anything here. Oh, maybe.
No, it's the entrance.
Jump scare.
It doesn't look like
There's
anyone's been
stuff
here.
there's stuff by the fire exit, isn't there?
Yeah. But I put it outside so we can just...
Oh, this door over here. Oh, stop sign. Nice.
I didn't see
Got a
it.
couple of bits on me.
What was
And
that?
it keeps going. What's what?
Did you not hear that?
No?
Okay. No.
Yeah, no. I keep thinking that extension cord in the corner is like a screw, but like...
Yeah, that always gets me too. That's this room over here.
Hey!
Oh shit,
I'm
turret!
gonna go...
There's a turret right there.
Oh, huh. Where?
There.
Oh.
Woo!
Uh-oh. Right, I'm gonna make a run back to base.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Huh? Clinky clanks? What? What?
I'm trying to ping it.
No! you remember this thing with fucking Josh, where we bought like 100 flashbacks. Ding bong, hello up there.
Bing
What's
bong.
that sound?
Bell.
What?
Found
Must
Bell.
be the fries. They must be done.
Ding bong.
Have you guys brought anything home?
What? What happened?
Oh yeah, they brought flies home, by the way.
What is this? There's a magnet on the side. What?
Oh, indeed there is, yeah.
Oh, there's bees in there.
How are we gonna get anything in? How are we gonna deposit loot in the fucking ship?
I'll try and draw them away. I just need to stand in the trees.
Ron!
There, watch out!
Why did you put bees in the fucking ship?
No, but I'm fun of because the shit.
Why do you sound like that?
You're cold, they're cold. Let them in.
Yeah, let them in.
Kill yourself.
What? What am I doing?
Not you.
I'm too injured.
Me too. I'm on like fucking high red. Get one of the other fucking
What?
twats to do it. Actually, no. If we put it on the, put it there. No, Sean. No,
You can
Sean.
drop
What have
it
you
inside.
done?
You can drop it inside.
No, if you drop it on the fucking outside, we can just bring it in.
Yeah, but if you drop it inside.
Jeez Louise. Aiko Rumba.
Holy fuck!
You know how long I've been here?
Oh,
Is it
Killing
safe
myself.
to... I hope they haven't added rats to this yet. I'm scared of rats. Hope we have eyeless dogs. Eyeless dogs are easy to get around. I don't think we can get giants.
Okay, figured it out, folks.
wait, I think Alex wants to say that could have been awkward.
Who's this?
Things that
Who's
I-
dead?
This kind of awkward dog. How many alarm but bees?
Oh man, fucking shut that door, bro.
All of the loot's outside. It's on the railing. It's on the railing to the left. If we
Yeah,
pull
you know what's to our right?
the bees, why did you bring them in?
They're cold. Let them in.
What?
Very
I mean,
good,
I'm
yeah.
I'm about to die, so
I mean, like, we're all red. We're all red down here. We're all pulled down red.
I think we just pull the lever and try to grab the loot on the left. No, you got it. Yeah, you got it.
I'm so rich.
Ding, fuzz
I'm
it
so
done, ding,
good.
fuzz it
Wait,
done.
we got bells! Ding, fries are done.
Ding,
Wait.
fries are done.
How do you ring it?
Wait, how do you ring it?
Ron, is that everything? It is, yeah.
Yeah, pull the lever, Ron. Pull it.
Pulling.
Absolutely pull the lever.
I've pulled it.
I think the fries might be done.
Ooh, ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done.
Help!
Oh, I got fries in my
Oh, we
hand.
got it.
Yeah, we got it.
Our fries are done. Ding. Ouch.
Yippee!
And we are being paid.
Yippee!
Fries are done. Ding, fries are done.
Thanks for costing us $4.
Yeah. Our crypto book. Ding, fries are done. Ding.
March is unaffected. We could go to
Alright.
March.
Fries are done. Shit, this is sick as hell. Ding. Fries are done.
Bong. Bing. Bing. Bong.
Ding, fries are done. 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 That's what chimichangas done. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are
Okay, I'm
done.
getting sick of this fucking ship.
Fries are done. Fries done. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done.
Bong.
Fries are done.
Bong.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are
I hope this is
done.
the one with the.
This is March. We're on March.
Oh, it's like April.
Ha! 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 I swear deliveries come in like over here somewhere. Yeah, I know. I don't know why that's there.
Oh,
Magnet.
oh, what
Dog, there's a magnet there, dog.
Wait, maybe that's where the car goes.
Cargo? Space? No, cargo.
Look! Look! Look!
Ding, fries are done.
Look! I got weed killer.
It kills what? Oh. Weed killer. Do we get an axe? Can we do deforestation now? Oh, I'd love to chop down trees.
Okay, I think that kills giants, by the way.
Ding.
I like the music now. The music now's cool. Pretty sickums. And then it gets real spooky. Key. Hey. V-type engine. That's it. Good haul. But I got spooked. When the fucking... Guessing Sean pulled the fucking lever. Pulled the power cord.
We got scared and we had to leave.
No way. The power went
Yes.
out and you got
What
scared
happened
and
to the
had to leave.
lights?
Hey guys, the power went out and I got scared, so I had to leave.
Hey guys, the power went
The
out.
power went out. Okay, time to pull the
Power
lever for the
went
ship. Yo, we got the thing
We got scared
in
at the leave.
Oh, let me turn the lights on.
Yeah. And ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done.
I also got a key.
We buy a hiding spot. I want to buy like a locker to sleep in.
Your mother.
I forget how this works. What's the ship upgrade? Ship upgrade.
There's a magnet on the side.
Can we save for the car?
Ooh, shower. That's like
The car's
400. Oh, it literally is a cruiser.
Yeah.
Oh. Cruise these
Why
nuts,
do we have-
I guess.
Ah! That's weed killer!
Whoa!
Have you wasted it already?
No.
It's empty.
Is it empty?
I used it once.
Whoa.
Ron, what did you just
There's
buy?
no command if you just put E.
By the way, Sean,
expected something to
Sean,
happen.
it still says that you're playing Valorant.
Oh.
Me?
Ding.
I said Sean.
Yeah, shush.
Element.
I'm stealing this stuff. Damn.
Wrong. I am stealing this stuff.
I'm a son.
Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Ding,
Where'd the
fries are
remote go?
done. Ding, fries are done. Ding,
Guys,
fries are
what a bit
done.
over quota, I think.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries
Hey,
are
Josh.
done. Ding, fries
Josh.
are done.
Yeah.
Ding, fries are
Yeah. Why are
done.
you bringing that out?
Ding, fries are done.
What?
Well,
Kablooey.
Fries are done.
What?
huh?
What?
Okay, it's time to make a sacrifice. Bit of pig.
Also, Josh, you're a little too small for your webcam.
What do you mean?
You need to sit up.
It's done.
Yeah,
Oh,
there you go. There you
I
go.
did it.
You fit into frame a lot better
No,
now.
I'm not playing like that.
No, when you
No,
fucking
playing
when
like
you
that, you
slouch
crazy.
over, we can only see your forehead.
Oh. What's your name? Shake your booty, Bamster.
Wait,
Oh, you're a silly one, yeah?
shake your booty, Bamster. Oh yeah.
Shake your booty, Bamster. Oh, you're a silly one, yeah? Slouch over silly Billy versus. What? What are you talking about?
Hey, did you just leave Alex behind?
Yeah?
Son of a bitch.
Guys, why'd you leave me behind? What the hell?
Imagine the drum roll.
Imagine
Slouch over and get ready for the battle for the silly and the creepy.
Imagine a
Well,
imagine a dragon. Imagine a dragon.
Fries, done.
Fries. Done.
Ding.
G'da.
Why are we
Oh.
back on March?
You get
wasn't affected by weather.
I fucking hate that. Oh. Oh god, excuse me. Where? Oh. Where am I? Oh, that's where I am. Ship. Ah, silence. What the fuck? It's still here. Hello. The walls sound like they're liquid. I don't know what it is. Every time I stand still, I just hear like this liquid rushing through the walls. I'm not insane, I'm not insane, I'm not insane.
Okay.
Engine. Engine.
Wow.
That's not a good noise. Room so fucking empty. Did I go that way? It's about time to head out.
I got exploded.
What?
Something exploded.
I haven't seen Josh or Ron in like ages. Where are those minstrels? You gonna go back in?
I'm on like red health, so
Ah.
I have not seen the other two at all.
I was just saying that, yeah.
What's the likelihood that they've just like both dove into like a bit of mud?
There shouldn't be any.
Yeah, sometimes it still spawns.
I'll check the camera of the thingy. Oh.
I was right.
Where even are they? Like, how?
Well, how much money do we have? We have $1. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. How were we meant to find that fucking position?
And anyways, if they were in mud, we wouldn't be able to retrieve them.
Yeah. No, yeah, that looks like one of them. It's just a bamboo walk, chill out. I wanna go say hi, actually. Where'd you go?
I know that there's a new thing, and it shoots rockets.
Yeah, the big mechs, but those spawn in like when you land, and then they activate at like 6.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Or no, it's not 6, it's like later. Fuck. Where are you? What? Where are you?
What?
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Oh, there you are.
You shut me outside, you prick.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh, soda. 2
So
to 1
muddy.
payout.
So muddy.
2
so
to 1 payout. I get my Wario bucks.
Can we find the light switch, please?
Who
Air
moved it?
drummer. Yeah, dum dum
Drums
dum.
and guitar.
Tuk. Garth and the ban. Tuk. Stinger Flynn uses his powers to tuk boom bappa doom bap. I'm the lead drummer, Ringo Starr.
Yeah, Scary
They
Blue.
changed
Yeah,
this
man.
yet.
Drums and guitar.
Do we get to
gotta-
put power at the bottom? Oh my
Yeah,
god,
take the
yeah.
thing. Well, we won't be able to take it back up if it doesn't work.
No, but it does work. Like it's an update. Hey, Gigakadi.
Don't bring it down. Don't bring it down. What are
Bring
you
it
doing?
down.
It works so well, dog.
No, it's wrong thing. I don't trust it. I don't trust
What?
Yeah, but like the game theory.
Yeah, you guys, it's theory. Game theory. Thanks for watching. Gigakadikaboo. And then they like reinforce it with the circle, and then it's the weights and.
Yeah, and then Scary Blue comes in.
Okay, then there's a battery here. Yep, put in the battery, and then. Okay, that cable's cut. We gotta repair it. Don't tell. Gigakadika, don't
God damn!
What?
Wait,
That
Dumbo.
fucking keyboard.
What?
Oh,
What?
fuck.
What's wrong? Hello? Anything wrong with this particular
Yeah,
store
yeah.
salesman? I guess not.
You know what? I don't.
Not very chill. Gigakadika. You got it. Yatta.
Okay, can we buy the car?
it. Be mine.
Key. And it's not a key. Stinger key,
Why
Flynn.
did you toss the keys on the floor?
Bro, you're not even using the keys. Oh look, they check.
Car. I'm gonna go buy the car. I'm gonna go buy the car.
Car.
No way that Josh is. That Josh.
How much is it, anyways?
400.
Look at that Hosh run.
Who we talking about? Hash brown.
Cha-ching.
Oh, man.
No hungry Hash brown, oh man. Oh man, I'm so hungry. Hash brown.
Maybe we have to get the car delivered.
Oh,
Maybe
hash brown.
What else would attach to this magnet, though?
Yeah, I know, but like, we have to wait for the car to be delivered. Oh yeah, look, there it
Oh
is.
my god.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm driving!
Pizza delivery.
Let me in! Let me in!
What?
It's a convertible! It's a convertible! Eject! How do I get out? Oh, there you go.
The cruiser engine may be durable.
Oh, I'm driving. Alright, let's do this.
It's so cozy here. Oh my god. Uranium fever.
Where's the ignition? There we go. Don't do it. There we go. Shit.
Now drive off a cliff. Okay, now drive off a cliff.
I just Austin Powers us.
What?
Don't do that.
Ah, some nice air.
Nope. Nope. Oh my god.
Who's that
What
shit?
the hell is happening?
Stop!
Where are we driving? Where you forgot me?
I'm out of here, bro.
Very nice.
Ow!
Bro, come on. Wait, what?
bro,
It's
it's
just gonna break
push
your
on you.
fucking legs.
Wait, that's a product.
Oh, what? How the fuck?
How do you die? Ah, nice comfy seat.
Who died? What?
Where?
Nice
Don't worry about it. What the fuck is happening? What are these noises?
You're joking. What did you do?
Joshua's super
What did you do?
instinct.
What did you do? That's 400 credits! What did you do? What did you do?
Tragic accident.
What did you do?
Drive!
No.
Put the clipboard in there, no!
What were you doing? In the fucking front seat!
I don't know.
Well, crashing apparently, but you don't have it!
I don't know.
Oh, jeez.
The car had literally didn't fucking move, and then it just exploded.
That's what I mean. It just.
Were you trying the ignition over and over?
Holy fuck.
No.
Oh my
I
god,
was
you know what
trying
it
to
was?
put it
You know what it
right.
was? No, you know what it was?
You're
It was
fucking trying! You're fucking fucking Christ!
No, you know what it was?
fuck?
It was the
What?
fucking it was my body in the back seat. It kept colliding with the truck inside of it. So it kept dealing
Oh.
like a tiny amount of
Gmod,
damage.
let's go.
Gmod. He is so you are so toasty.
Not evaluated though.
I should just be
Have you
silent.
killed anyone yet? Yeah, what the fuck do you think?
What? My body's just clipping in the wall. What?
He only got 2 of us.
Slow down.
Right.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna.
What?
Stream's over. Fuck off.
Will you end the fucking
What?
What?
Just
What?
What? The fuck? Bots in attendance?
There was one bot in chat.
Okay, just kick it and keep going.
No, I'm gonna have to go for dinner anyway. So.
Why do you want to then?
I have to stay in game just so that I one survivor.
Oh, over.
It's over. Right, yeah, I just.
Blackjack. What you 7? What the shit?
$400!
Oh my god, Josh. That was one hell of an overtime.
Oh, jeez.
Wait, oh hey, we can afford a new one.
I win! It's a 2-to-1 payout, so I double.
Cha-ching! Bought a new cruiser.
Yeah!
Yeah. No, that's the company building, you idiot!
This is New Planet.
Ron, oh my.
Oh, Gridion.
I fucking
It's like
hate
that one,
you. Well, now we're gonna
that
have
one
2
Ultra
days. We're gonna have 2 days to make all this fucking money.
Today gonna be the day we made 1,000 on the first
Lock
day.
Josh in the fucking ship. Lock him in. Have we killed anyone yet? Have you killed anyone yet? That's a good question. It's here. Indeed. It's got wipers. There we go. Stop!
What?
How do I attach this thing to the fucking ship?
Huh?
Come outside and help me!
10 times pimply, 5 times
Oh,
red,
I'm so much blood.
4 times space, 3 times
Oh, oh, so
8 times Miss Pac-Man, 4 Miss Assman, 6 times
Hello.
prison jumpsuit, 8 times company.
How the fuck do you attach this thing to the ship? It's getting. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Driving or what? Hello?
Oh, start driving
Any
already,
driver in
bro.
this thing? Dog.
Ron, it's on fire. It's on fire. It's on fire. Get out.
No, it's not.
Look at the back of it.
The back? What
Look.
happened to the back?
Look at it!
That's just the fuel. It's just the
Yeah,
fuel,
bro,
right?
the fuel
Yeah.
is fucking fueling up the place, bro.
It's the Cadillac. It's the Cadillac.
Ron? You still alive over there?
Oh! We got the clipboard.
I got
The
Josh.
service manual. Oh, we got Teletubby.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh, we could use this.
I can use this. I fucking told you it was smoking.
I mean, like, it's kind of like Roblox. What else did you expect? You don't want to see me rage.
Look at this fucking burnt biscuit
Okay.
looking motherfucker.
Wait, this audio. Wait, can you play music on it? Nice.
Yeah, there's a radio.
Radiohead. Page.
I knew it, the weed killer is fucking empty.
Other company cruiser. Okay, mentality. Higher average switch kills you. Yeah. Posture. Straight posture. Okay. You know, company cruiser may be able to hear you speak. Remember to
What?
give a kind word of affection at the beginning of each workday.
What?
How wholesome. Windshield wiper, headlight, roof cabin window, nice. Hard cruiser drive, yeah. Company cruiser comes with 1 free lifetime warranty. If your cruiser is damaged or lost, you'll replace your next cruiser. That's good.
What?
Engine lubricant. Oh, you put a weed killer in it.
No way.
Ah. The hood, yeah, okay. The gauge on the left will empty if the cruiser is feeling well.
Oh.
Okay, well it says we kill. But like, I'm gonna guess this is weed killer.
Yeah, but okay, what does it say about attaching it to the ship? Does it say anything about
Magnet, there's a lever on the backside autopilot ship. Use the lever to activate the magnet.
that? What?
Please stand clear when the magnet's active, okay.
Lever?
Oh. Yeah,
Is it
lever.
lever?
In the car. The autopilot.
No, wait, no, here. Lever.
There it is. Wait, turn it on.
I did. It's on. Get something
Do
metal.
you have anything?
No.
Metal? Okay,
we don't.
right, okay, 2
Oh yeah,
keys.
key.
Okay, watch this. I got jewelry on me. I got jewelry and shit.
Alright, it's off. Place him down. I don't know. Maybe it's just...
well, that's so cool. I wish I killed him though.
Maybe it's only the car.
I want a truck back, please. I need a refund on the truck.
Maybe the next
Lifetime warranty.
maybe when we
Oh
drop
yeah,
down.
next planet probably.
Ron, don't die,
That's a good
please.
idea.
Ron, I don't want to owe more money.
Josh? Okay. Well, engine empty.
That doesn't
He's so
sound like
natural.
the normal angry, right?
When you push the car towards it, it's rapid. Or something, right?
Where'd you put the manual? Was it in the ship?
In the ship.
In the ship.
Tiptoe, by the window.
Oh yeah, engine lubricant. Yeah.
Black with soot. Okay, well, it's time to blackjack again. Hit it. Da, da, da,
Cruiser is
da.
damaged or lost. Will replace your next one. Indeed. Alright, we'll put that in there.
Work. Beaver expert, okay.
Oh right, yeah. Forgot we had to do that.
401.
Ron, it's okay. We clutch up in 2 days. It's easy.
I stand and I win. Dealer bust.
Are you just playing blackjack this whole fucking time?
Okay. Do hit me. Hit.
I hate you.
Stand. And it's a loss, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Work. Dog eye gotta go do work. Smarties expert. 89. No!
Josh, you
Where's
wrecked
Sean?
the truck. You wrecked the truck.
Where's Sean?
Where's Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something.
I don't play Roblox.
I never want to play this game.
Where is this?
It's adamant.
Oh, adamantite. You don't want to see me rage, you don't want to see me cloud obby.
Wait,
You
don't
wanna see
fucking
a
get your
beautiful
No, you go
world.
first. You go first, yeah.
Beautiful world outside. Birds are singing. Here. Because it ain't the oil anyway.
What's that?
Oh, don't look.
Capitan from Rainbow Six Siege. Capitan, hey, I'm your biggest fan. Capitan.
Josh, where'd you go? I'm scared.
Oh
Ooh, hey, I know what this room is.
no. No, I'm out there.
Hope you didn't like seeing. Mine city in here.
Pretty cool banana.
mind sitting here? Is that a
This is
jar of
pretty cool,
pickles?
Pickle.
Pickle.
Pickles.
Wait, actually, I have a hand. I don't have a computer. Uh-oh. Ah! Ouch.
Car's back.
I got another one. I got another one. Wait, how are we meant to? How the fuck are we meant to get it up to the fucking?
Just push it.
Ron, please, fucking don't.
Open this. Okay. Alright, put the coffee, gonna put the hair, put the pickle, and it's good to go. You need a push start,
What's that noise? No, Ron, you pushed me into a tree!
and it's on.
Ron! Where'd he go? Shit. Fuck.
Oh, yeah.
What a fight, yeah? Sorry, it doesn't matter which way I fucking reverse. It just always goes to the left. I'm being serious. Just turn it back. Oh, you're joking me. Oh wait, that's just the exhaust.
On earth is happening?
Oh, hey, you're dead.
Yeah. What? I didn't even get to see what that was.
The birds fucking assaulted me. The birds.
Dog, what the fuck?
The birds fucking assaulted me. They killed me.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there were so many fucking baboon hawks.
Holy fucking shit. Healer hits 6 times
What?
and hits 21.
21? What do you
What
want about?
happened?
What?
Pin. Okay, I'm gonna put the.
Who hasn't voted to leave?
Oh,
Gosh. But that's fine. If only we all perished.
Well, then
we
we
have
then
a
we
computer.
lose everything.
Not gonna work.
Final challenge. Let your cow you're
keep losing.
synchronized.
Hit. Stand.
Josh, I just realized, have you streamed?
Oh my god.
Josh,
Huh?
have you streamed Cow Piss yet?
Josh, have you streamed Roblox yet today? Might be.
Oh, I
hits.
haven't streamed Copus actually.
Yeah, you got it.
Synchronized Copus.
Yeah,
Someone say Carapace.
you need some synchronized Cow Piss on the stream.
Someone say Cowpiss.
Somebody say CS stream? CS2 stream?
It's time to CS.
Michael's in chat and he's saying Cow Piss?
Copus. Synchronized
No.
Copus.
Hi Michael. Michael, why aren't you on call?
I'm gonna stand.
Idiot.
Fuck. Gonna 10 and then gotta. I'm so mad.
Michael says I am. Wait, is Michael in the call? Just have we
Yeah,
haven't.
Michael's in the call.
Oh, okay. Guys, CS stream? CS2? Stream. Come on, we got the squad. We got Josh, we got Ron, we got Michael.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, alright, let's do
Yeah,
it.
did
You'd
you
love
say
to see
CS
it.
goal?
Alright, CS2
Yeah,
stream.
CS.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go.
Congrats,
Bye
everyone.
bye, Lethal
Boss
Company.
rank.
Bye bye, Lethal Company. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Russia.
Bye bye, Russia.